Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have dihalopentzene, chlorine and bromine in the meta position. You are reacting with magnesium and ether and you are using acetaldehyde. You should find what will be the final product. Here you have two halogen. Obviously, we are expecting Grignard reagent formation. So you have two possibility, chlorine or bromine. Here, bromine is very reactive when compared to chlorine. So bromine will form as a major product as the Grignard reagent. Then Grignard reagent basically provide anion, which is nucleophile, which attacks the aldehyde. You have aldol condensation kind of product. You have secondary alcohol. Here, simple nucleophilic addition with carbon-carbon bond formation. The concept we outline here is halide reactivity for Grignard reagent is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.